Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Naturally Speaking Pro, and today I'm going to share with you an important feature about and a way to move around in your document. It's the move up feature. So you can move up one, you can move up 1 through 19, and I'm going to just quickly demonstrate, and then you can practice yourself. So first we have to start by waking up the microphone. It's currently in sleep mode, which you can tell it's in sleep mode by it's a blue microphone. Wake up. Move up 5. Move down 7. Move up 10. Move up 4. Stop listening. So this is a very effective way to move your mouse around a document. You can tell it how many times you want it to move up or how many times you want it to move down. That's it. Again, very quick and effective way of moving your cursor around within your document. My name is Charles Fleischer. I am the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and you could follow me on YouTube and get more tips right here on this page by just subscribing to my YouTube channel. Or you can visit my website, which is also, there's a link here on this page, and you can learn more about my Dragon Naturally Speaking e-course, which will teach you quick and effective ways to quickly start using Dragon right now. And I'll see you on my next tip. Bye-bye.